classification of a triangle on the basis of angles. A triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree is known as acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. A triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree is known as acute angled triangle. A triangle in which one angle is equal to 90 degree is known as right angled triangle. One angle will be equal to 90 degree. And a triangle in which one of its angle is more than 90 degree will be called as obtuse angle triangle. One of the angles of a triangle, if it is more than 90 degree, then the triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now there is a angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. This property is very important, students. It is said that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now let us consider a triangle, so we need to prove it. Prove. So let us consider a triangle A, B, C. So through A we draw a line PQ which is parallel to the side BC of this triangle. So we can write here, let ABC be any triangle. Through A we draw a line PQ parallel to BC. So let us name these angles. Suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4 and this is angle 5. Now as from our previous chapter we have learned that whenever there will be two parallel lines and one is the transversal, then alternate angles will be equal. So in this case, since PQ is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal, we can say angle 4 will be equal to angle 2. Alternate angles. Sorry, angle 4 equal to angle 1, alternate angle. Now since again PQ parallel to BC and this time AC is the transversal, then which two angles, students, will be alternate angles? Yes, angle 2 will be equal to angle 5. They are alternate angles. Now from this figure we can say that angle 3, 4 and 5, they together form a linear pair. Now angle 3 plus angle plus 4 plus angle 5 can be said that it is equal to 180 degree since it forms a linear pair. Now students, instead of angle 4, can we write angle 1? Let us name it as equation 1 and 2. So as per equation 1, we can say angle 4 is equal to angle 1. So instead of angle 4, we can write angle 1. And again it is seen that angle 5 is equal to angle 2. So instead of angle 5, we can write angle 2. This will be using equation 1 and 2. So from there we can ultimately say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 means in this figure it is ABC. That is angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle BAC. It will be equal to 180 degree. Proved. So using this concept and with the application of this property, you can solve the questions given in this coming exercise. Thank you.